One sneeze can blast your saliva droplets farther than the length of a city bus, up to 26 feet in a single explosive burst. That's farther than most people realize, and it means your everyday achoo is packing some serious power. When you sneeze, the air shoots out of your mouth and nose at speeds up to 100 miles per hour, carrying thousands of tiny droplets with it. These aren't just harmless mist, they're supercharged vehicles for whatever germs are hanging out in your system. Scientists use high-speed cameras to capture this in action, revealing that those droplets create a cloud that can linger in the air, traveling way beyond what we think is safe distance. It's literally a mini shockwave, propelling microscopic particles through the air in a split second. Next time you feel a tickle in your nose, remember it's not just a sneeze, it's a powerful, invisible force capable of crossing an entire room before you even realize it.